Trending stars.
Yeah, we just finished is it a session? Training session?
Yeah, it's a training
session. Yeah, down in a training session, managed by, the landlord himself. Preparing for show. You mean you go by 28?
No, by 30th.
Oh, by 30. It's
yes,
30, not 28?
No. It's on a Sunday, November 30th.
Ah, it's on a Sunday.
Yes.
I think 28 in the Mamuiga within the weekend.
Yeah, and the Friday, of course.
It's Friday.
Yeah, so soon I'll point you on me.
When you win. All right, and Akalaguruza show and a couple of other things that you have been up to lately.
Yeah.
Come on, mwina riambendi kunena kuti chaka chino mwatipanga staff mafanzi runyimbo simnaruse kweni. What's happening?
Aimbe kwena. Ferimba chaka jamaa.
Mwimba chaka jamaa? Chaka chino aimbe na?
Aimbe kwena.
Okay. Come at least you had collaborations angabo. I mean, like they really made waves.
Yeah.
And Antoine Migiranditu, you had Gada, you had
I don't know, Gada is last year.
Gada was last year.
Yes, yeah. This year also I have a verse in Dremo's album. Yeah. By Ina Bebu. Yeah. So my verse better ponya
Abundiabo. Yeah. And I think Zinabwe and the positive feedback Yambili as an artist. So good. So na ruse nyimbo when how did that make you feel?
I think lately I've been working on going the kind of brand. You're somebody nyimbo. Yeah, Some card is story for so you have to create a name for yourself that is not depending on the music. Yeah, so that's what we're trying to work on. That's what we're trying to do this year. But okay, let's see what can happen if we didn't rely too much on the music. And here we are.
All right, so we saw the training session inside. Mwina, apart from what we saw there, how else do you prepare for a show?
I have to prepare, I have to be in a good shape physical-wise. Yeah. I have to be in a good shape mentally. I have to market the show. And of course, the most important thing is the actual performance. Yeah, so the past week, this week and next week is extra busy.
Extra busy. Practice here, right there, left, right, center.
Yeah, we go practice. Mina meeting. After meeting, you have so site. So it's always up and down.
All right. So this is a big event that's happening, and I'm pretty sure you've had some sold-out shows before.
Yeah. Stadium shows. Even.
Stadium shows. Yes.
Yeah.
Ababano, so makandika pressure again. How am I going to deliver this one better?
Yeah, definitely, and you have to take each and every show as serious as possible. Yeah, Goma Bende experience, I think because of the stadium shows, those ones, they gave us too much pressure. So because of those ones, obviously, so the year is 100%. But at the end of the day, I believe we didn't get the ball. Yeah.
All right. All right. Now let's dive into, the music thing a little bit. Now, as an artist, yeah?
Yes.
Recently, you've received criticism, Gwambili,
Kudigo.
Yeah, if every time I comments, we are everywhere seeing criticism. Okay, people are like, Kodi Gwamba. You told us, Kodi, you're now doing gospel music.
Yeah.
Yeah, you did that, and then my features and then people are always.
I'm a hip hop artist, and hip hop is very competitive.
Yeah.
So when I have a reminder, I'm told.
I'm still in the game.
Ndilipo.
I am who I am.
Yeah, so you drop a verse or two once in a while. Maka just a reminder. Sinanga mara side okuyiwala.
Yeah.
Ndina uzila kubanga compare mwina ndiyana yani. So you have just to kumwa kumusa
kuti ife
mutwabanga zanuzo masuri ine kulibe. But it's just one of those. The major did my reminder. That's what I serious.
Okay, because now I was about to ask, and Tomina Zori, yeah, Gwamba, winayu, ali better than winayu.
Yeah, so yeah, my reminder just something serious for me. It's just, you know.
Okay.
Osama piano. It's just a reminder.
A reminder.
It's just you easily forget.
Yeah.
But
okay. Agudiri, he's still in the game. He's still who he is. Yeah. Okay. Now maybe let's talk about the Most Wanted tour. You had a tour almost all over Malawi. My district
we have done 14 districts.
Yes. My district did madabo gudi mpaka kunchinji. Mpaka kwa gudi. What made you gudi you should go into these other districts? So gudi masho si weni.
As a marketer, not just as an artist, if you're selling a product, which is in this scenario music, mutokandi antodi mafikira all the time, but the music is going to the whole country. Yeah. So what about antamini amavila nyimbo zija afuna zawo nodabanga perform kwa masanga kufikiri. So it's time for you to go to them and sell the music. It's not like mabilo mino ujago promanga zindu zija for free.
Yeah.
We were going there to give them the music and still made money out of it. So the akoda vya kunzimba tubangisa show 10,000 gola antulina 1,500. We are still making money. Muna so bosa ndama zibenda katubanga down. Yeah. But at the same time, tuwabanga deliver antawu kunzimbaja ndiji ntiyo kuta mafanya za jona masamadan sama jona. So it came from not just perspective of music, but also marketing wise and also the business side of music. Okay, where else can you make money apart from Nzuzu or Blanta? Yeah. So we went there to perform, but overall to make money.
So it's all about the money.
Yes, mostly it has to be about the money. Otherwise, it don't make sense.
All right. So, when should we expect, Kuri, this is going to be a tradition? Kuri, Jaga and Jaga, you are going to be going into my district. So, Kuri, we are always like, and I know you're also going to be in Karaber as well.
Yeah. For 24 December, we're going to Nzuzu for a grand finale. Then by Christmas, we're going to have a beach festival in Karaber. So, the main is, you know, of course, my districts are not seen a vibe.
Yeah.
So next year, I think we're gonna start from Malunga Ramino, Aina Sanje, Neno, Likuma, or Sidna Vai. So next year, we're gonna do another tour, Mazambia, Mamma Sidna Vai this year, and then we'll proceed from there. Yeah.
All right, that's good stuff. Yeah. Now, still on the tour, Kugubwela Nastasi. Yeah.
Yes.
And everyone was like, Nastasi, I think Panoba Maris, Mugumari Zimusa. Magura Gubwela Wagu Tawizanji, so Mugutela Ndalamar. So yeah, what made you call Nastasi Bama artist on Samenona Gaitana?
One, he's a very good hip hop artist, and I'm also a hip hop artist. Madu's album this year, and people love the album a lot. And it's also generation, you know, but normally the generation ain't nice to see. So if you've seen the show, Madi so sabanga perform apart from Zeze, they are hip hop.
Yeah.
So kulena homegrown, Maselba, Charisma, also in the hip hop. So in my mind, even like the setup, even the way I want people to dress, I want it to be a hip hop setup.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why when I think of a hip hop artist in Africa, the first person that comes to my mind right now is
Nastasi.
Yeah.
Okay. So kumene kundoti tizabwere vala za hip hop.
Mzavale mazabu muruzija. Zima trousers, this will mean you'll just experience something different. Yeah.
Okay, I think Ababa, let me just emphasize, could you please dress up for the event? Unless it's big enough. Yeah, and those are the watch Chelsea. Go see can you
try as much as you can. We just want to create experience. Even if you're in your 40s, 50s, and you want to come, go back to the old days and just dress up. You know? So yeah.
Okay, all right. Now you talked also of lineup now ya logo ya Malawi.
Yes.
What made you choose? Of course, they are hip hop. When I said charisma, they are in the same jani. But what made you choose this particular artist could Agabange perform on your
Most
show?
in Madinga Zinzanga, if I'm being honest. Yeah, I have to be close to you in a certain way. Because otherwise it doesn't make sense. Why would I give business to someone else who I don't even talk to? Yeah. So if you say it's biased, yes, it is biased. komano ineo ndakazori ndi chance and there is a platform and I want to share the platform. The first people that are going to come to my mind are my friends. Yeah.
All right. And also munatipangira video kuti we should go find Shemu. We should go find Shemu wantu amene akupempha maticket.
Yeah, you know, it's crazy and it's sad also at the same time. It sounds funny when you think of it. For you to do a show of that nature, or even in forex, you have to bring production. You have to, and I mean, I'm a full summer cars. So daily, I'm a tobes and more. Come on, you can't just spare 25,000 kwaja to support, even a friend or an artist. You know, Tokanda Mazan, Mutobanga, you say, come buying Gwamba's ticket is where you draw a line. Kudia is Kaiser for free. It's very sad. I always tell my friends, you always send your accountant or do whatever business that you do. Will you go to work for free? No, you don't. So what makes you think if you're artist, we should do things for free for you? You know. So it's just a mentality that I think it really needs to change because otherwise, only artist is $1.
Exactly, and I was about to ask Kuri, zintu zimene zimagubanga na affect bwanja. I mean, pabwera antudeni matiketi, that's like, you know, close to 200, 300K yapita imeneyo.
Yeah, and it's also bad because most of the people that ask you for free tickets are actually people that are in your contacts.
Oh wow!
Like your TIN number, why don't you support me? You know. But it is what it is.
Yeah, go find Shame.
There are no free tickets. Can't do Nzanga, can't do Mbadewanga. I'm not giving you a free ticket.
No free tickets.
Yes.
Make sure you go find your own.
Yes.
All right, and maybe what should people look forward to Kusho Imene as a whole? You know, people have high expectations. But aside from Nastasi, what else should we expect from this show?
Before Nastasi, the most important thing is the show ya Gwamba. Yeah, and Antamana Mona Gwamba Banga perform. They have seen the growth in the performance, and Ababa was still working to give people something different, but not just the performances, not just Nastasi, but also just the day itself. If you come to the show, we want you to feel like you're in that environment, in that space. We want you to feel like you are very safe. Yeah. So I want some Samina Gwera, Azabwera Libobo, Azave Udina Libobo, Zodi. Yeah. So if you're coming to the show, just know that you're very safe. You're going to have a very good experience, and Zona will be from Asabo.
Okay. Yeah. All right. And also, Tamara was given a free ticket.
Yes.
Yeah. Was that part of your marketing strategy?
No. I don't even know who that girl is. Yeah. Komano, I don't like bullies. You know. What she did, about the birthday, it's something that we see every time. If you go on TikTok and you write that, you search that on TikTok, Zibwera so 1 million. You know. So I don't like it when people project their anger on someone else, because sura nabanga post pa Facebook, anabanga post mina WhatsApp page, eventually ngine jana pa Facebook, and tunumwe ankula zinu za mean, very mean, ndi hule you don't even know the person. So I don't like watching someone getting bullied. So I was just stepping in to show what in the Tamara. Yeah, so that's why I posted that.
All right. And has you gotten her ticket yet? Kabena, not yet.
Not yet, but I hope she will.
Okay. If I so try to find her, I got any ticket. All right. Now, you know, talking also music-wise, how has the year been for you, music-wise?
Music-wise, I've done 14 shows, Matua. We're doing a big show. Yeah, we've gotten some bookings, so it's been a fairly good year. Yeah, it's been a fairly good. We hope next year will be much better, because next year we're planning on releasing more music. And,
All right. Yeah. And also, you have the football and netball tournament happening in December.
Yes.
What made you actually, you know, go towards sports to Wuzwangarwa music?
No. If you check, 2017, I did 1 million, another banga also 2 million, and mostly Nima Banga to 18, because that's where I grew up. And also, I know how my youth, malonga ramena jamba career, kaudi guys, and even I to school, Zodiak. So to me, it's just like, okay, monthly. Then the career most is ground zone mpira. Most at the same time, kuli matimu kunona silver. Mina tomama vagu mena ujama kubanga scout my player. Hopefully at the end of the month, mina mtoka player naga banga chief ngini naga ola beza opportunity bena bag.
All right, and how are the preparations going so far? Because December ndipo mpano.
I have my team there in Area 18
Yeah.
that is working on the ground, making sure kuti ine ndizipanga za show, iwo ajazipanga jani za tournament, and number gweka na also kalikali, so there's no stress, there's nothing. We know kuti chito chizaenda popo.
All right, and also mwina next year, what should we expect from Gwamba music-wise? Chaka chino mwalipanga staff. Are we staffing again next year?
No, not at all. Even in starving you, I was still recording.
Yeah.
I even have music videos that I haven't dropped yet.
Oh.
So next year is just a matter of kurusa
nyimbo. All right, and any words to your fans?
Always support us. We're nothing without your support, but also not just my fans, but also companies. I'd like to give a big shout out to Malawi Airlines, Goshen City, Bedway, Chris AINV, and each and every company in Malawi that supports art. It's not every day when you see Addis Abanga show and companies coming through. So for you, the sponsors of this event, a big shout out to you. And next time, not even Gwamba, but that Abanga event, support them as well.
Yeah. Mwina, just before we close, you have talked of my sponsors, Osiana Siana, many Agubanga sponsor this show. Mwina, just as an artist, so good you're established. Kwa artist, how can I get these deals with, my companies? What tips can you tell them?
And so, mentality out, right? First of all, these companies are not obliged to sponsor us. It has to be their choice. But also, I think just mindset, not just artist mindset, you have to shift it. Because these days, let me give you an example of Airtel. Airtel, people on Zodiak, Airtel is paying for TV ads. On radio, they're paying for radio ads. If you go on Facebook, you see my Airtel ads and Bilibili. So obviously, they're spending hundreds of millions in a month just on promoting Airtel. Yeah. So what makes you think you go to Airtel and you say, "Mwenbange sponsor doing any logo ya noma poster banga"? They get nothing. Because first of all, Airtel is a bigger brand than Magistosa Malawi. At least some is Airtel. So we have to change mentality. You need to be a company. Ndi banga sponsor, fund ndi logo, ndi banga mention pa TV. Because my mentions they're already spending on that. So offer them something of value. What business is Airtel doing? Okay, Airtel man. Okay, Airtel man is going on shiro banji. But I believe a show banga. It also banga benefit. That's when they take you serious. So Madi Sambidi Madandero as my sponsors. Come on, I think. My sponsors also need to indicate vote on the two. Put someone to support one BD. Come also if fail their calabasi. Their Kazoroke to banga approach National Bank. The first thing in your mind shouldn't be good to take a logo on National Bank. Because trust me, they gain nothing from that. So you look at National Bank and you say, okay, well, National Bank are in the end, MO. How can I work the MO? Do you banga incorporate the show anga? What do also banga benefit? That's when you can have a conversation. So we need to change the mindset.
Okay, Mumvera, change your mindset. And when as we're finishing, Mugona ngari ma world champions, arenga ligi kavena tidigire jaka next season.
Majani?
Ma world champions.
Chose? Ligi has ngateke bano. Kama next season. If I'm being realistic, they're not consistent enough. This year, I feel like Arsenal got sitting and they're in poor position to win this league. Okay.
Mumvera Arsenal,
they just have to win it. Squad depth here on your ball.
Okay. All right. All the best to Arsenal. This has been Trending Star, and today we had the landlord, Gwamba. Let us meet again in the next episode of Trending Star, and I have been Adina Fichunga.
Trending Stars.